Hello kids, let's learn about the water vehicles. Ships, boats, and more. A jet ski. A sailboat. A boat. A lifeboat. A rescue boat. A police boat. A yacht. A power boat. A fishing ship. A cruise ship. A cargo ship. An aircraft carrier. A battleship. A submarine. A tourist submarine. A torpedo. Scuba diving. Water ski. Surfing. Kayaking. A seaplane. Thanks for watching. Hello kids, let's learn about the flying objects. A seaplane. An airplane. A fighter jet. A glider aircraft. A helicopter. A chopper. A parachute. An air glider. A jetpack. A wingsuit. A missile. A satellite. A drone. A VAV drone. An air flight car. A UFO ship. A kite. An airship. A hot air balloon.
Thanks for watching.
If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like the video.
Thank you for watching. See you soon.